Open your Chrome browser, then go to search, then search for Facebook support team contact, then hit on search, then scroll down, then you are going to see help center. Now tap on it. Then tap on those three lines on your top right corner, then scroll down, then at the bottom there you are going to see support inbox. Now tap on it. Then select Chrome, then tap always. Then it will land you to your login page. Now do not enter anything there, just tap on login, then login, then email address or mobile required. So tap OK, then tap on forgotten password. Then now here, because you do not have your mobile number or your email address, you are going to enter your name. Then continue. Then from this list you are going to identify your profile picture. So I can see the profile picture of my Facebook account at the first one there. I'm going to tap on it. Then we'll send you a code to your email address, but because you do not have access to this email address, you are going to tap on try another way. Then choose a way to log in. Now some people do not have this part which says no longer have access to this. As you can see it here, this is not available on their part. So in order to be able to recover your Facebook account without email and phone number, you are going to close this one. Then you'll go to Play Store. Then go to search. Then search for Facebook Lite. Tap on it. Then you need to install this app on your phone. So once you've installed it, you're just going to tap on open. Then ensure that you have not logged into any account and you are on this page. So once you've done that, just tap on forgotten password. Then enter the name. Deny this one. Then enter the name of your Facebook account. Then tap on search by email address instead. Then you can now enter the name of your Facebook account. I'm going to enter the name here. Then tap on continue. Then again you are going to identify your profile picture and your account name. So I can see my profile picture of my Facebook account there at the first one. I'm going to tap on it. Then not now.